Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're back again and you already know we're gonna slay. So if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Boom. Okay, so that's not the star of the show, but I am going to use this because the palette that I'm going to use is the Paint Me Chrome by Makeup by Yolondo. This palette, guys, if you have this palette, be very careful with it because the shades, the way they are packed, because they're all duochrome and multi-chrome, you have to be real careful with it because I got my palette and I'm going to hold it kind of like this because I'm scared. Ooh. I'm gonna leave the plastic on here. This shade right here is already a little bit broken, and so is this shade. So you just have to be real careful on how you use them. But you know, it kind of looks like so. Woo, like this. Okay, I'm so scared that I break it. But since this is all shimmers, we're gonna go into this palette, which is the Browns and Nudes. I'm gonna go into this shade right here first, and we are gonna, you know, do what we do. If you're a beginner, this palette is like the perfect palette for you. Like that, and she has another one. I think it's like the Church Girl palette. That's a really good one too. You can still do bold looks, but nude bold, like, well, it's not gonna be nude, but like the colors are kind of toned down. They're not the blues and greens, and which I know, you know, those colors, the blues, the greens, can be intimidating for some people. So these colors are kind of muted. I mean, don't get me wrong, you can still do some bold looks here. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Okay, now let's go and grab 204. Man, I need to wash my brushes. Lord, can somebody come wash my brushes for me? Like, it's just so many brushes. And just keep blending this. Now I'm gonna go into this mauve shade right here, this shade, and we're just gonna, you know, keep blending. Just blend, blend, blend. Remember, guys, it's a process. Don't let it, you know, intimidate you. And let's go cut the crease. I used this brush yesterday. I use my oil. This is a cleansing oil, which works great. But I need to take out some of the oil on here, because if not, it's just gonna make a mess. A mess. Just put a little bit of oil because the brush kind of soaks the oil pretty quickly, so it's like a ton goes on there, so you have to be careful. Gotta be careful with that, because I don't want it to be like, oh my god, Decima said to just use cleansing oil. You can use it, you have to be careful, because remember, it's a makeup removing oil. So you gotta make sure you don't have too much oil on your brush, and you need to be careful. Okay, so now let's go and actually cut the crease. So I just clean it up. So first I'm gonna go in with like that C10. I don't like this to do my whole thing, but I'm gonna just go in with it like first, and then I'm gonna use a different brush to actually shape it up. So like so. And then I'm going with this brush. This is and these are both by Makeup by Yolondo, but I prefer this one, the CC9. It's so small and just detailed. It's like perfect for this. This is like the worst. I'm terrible at this, guys. But I'm gonna keep doing it. Because that's the only way you're gonna get better, right? Yep. I'm gonna put this shade. This has like literally no shade to it, but I'm just gonna put it on my lid. And you could actually leave the eye like this if you would like, but that's not in my vocabulary to just, you know, be that undone. I have to do the most. I'm actually gonna go into this shade right. Oh, this makes me like so scary. I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm putting that on a 167 from Morphe. It just melts on the eye. It's so pretty. And like this just went on effortless. And now I'm gonna put that bright pink. I'm gonna use this pink right here. Like, why not? I'm just gonna go for it. And this is a T33 from Makeup Shack. So, but I need to go back into that brown. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna go. Eyes are done. I know I have one lash and you know I don't have lash on this one. I don't know. My lash is like coming for me today. Actually, since yesterday, this eyes was kind of hurting, and I felt like something was in there. So you know, I'm using my Farsali Skintune blur. You know, I don't really think this blurs that much. We would. Oh wow. Well, I guess I talk about it, so it came back for me. I mean, it blurs a little bit, just not, you know, $60 worth or something like that to that effect. Maybe I should I do one lash or one eye with lash and one eye with no lash. I don't know, it would look silly, but this lash is like annoying today. It's annoying. Let's try this again. This is like the third time I'm putting this lash. Let's just leave it there for a moment, let it, you know, marinate and do what it think it needs to do. I mean, it blurs it a little bit. I'm just saying. For $60, it needs to blur a little bit more than that. You understand what I'm saying? Okay. Let's use my 24-hour from Born This Way. The 24-hour undetectable foundation. I'm gonna use this foundation in a minute. And we're gonna put that on our flawless brush from Makeup by Yolondo. Oh, I think I know why, because this is white. Okay. Now I'm gonna look like Flashback Mary. Oh my god, this is light. What shade is this? Sand. See, I don't know, because now it's like kind of getting a little bit darker, like it's oxidizing a little bit. I don't know. And I'm using my Makeup Forever. Oh my god, I went blank there for a second. And we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my Makeup by Mario bronze contour stick. I love this. And this is shade Dark. We need to bring some ooh. So, but it blends like butter. And this is a 405 for Makeup by Yolondo. She just blends. And let's blend this concealer out. Then I take this brush and I just like kind of tap the edges right here. Just to like, you know, make it a little bit seamless. So I'll bring my concealer back there and then fix the forehead or the 5 head, whichever one you want to call it. Perfect. Perfect. I'm gonna use my banana powder from Ofra. I love this powder. Don't ask me why I'm dancing. And now we jump in with our powder, if I can find one. I'm gonna use my Micro Smooth powder from, what shade is this? 30. From Sephora. Oh, I'm thirsty. And I know under my eye looks like heavy, but it's fine. See? I got it, I'll fix it, but I need it a little bit heavy, so when I go in with my on the eye stuff, it doesn't just, you know, go crazy all over the place. You know, I'm wearing these like colors that's like kind of springy, but you know what? I didn't get to go anywhere in spring, so I'm not wearing my spring color. I'm just joking. I'm just wearing whatever makes me happy at the time. So we're gonna go on with that dark color. Don't ask me why I say it like that. What brush is this? This is a 209. I like it for this. This is my Makeup Obsession. I don't know. Let's put something in the inner corner real quick. I'm gonna use that same palette, and I think I'm just gonna put this color right here. Oh my god, I'm so scared. This color in my inner corner. So like it kind of goes in white, but then it's like kind of goldy. I'm gonna use my contour powder from Natasha Denona, but I think I need 2 shades. This is number 3 and then this is number 4, so we're gonna go with number 3 first. And now I'm gonna go into number 4, which is a little bit like darker. And just like focus it like right here. Okay, I'm gonna use my Pink Passion from ABH. I just go in all 3 shades. and you just go to tongue. Ooh. Or maybe a little bit too much to tongue. It's okay, we'll fix it, we'll fix it. Don't stress, don't stress. And I'm gonna put a little bit of my makeup by Yolondo, a little bit, but it like literally spilled everywhere. Let us put a little bit of powder on the cheeks. And I'm gonna use Plum from MAC. You know, just give my hair a little bouncy volume. Yeah, so that's it guys for this video. That chrome palette from Makeup by Yolondo works really well. You just have to be really careful because it's $70 and the way that the shades are like packed in the pan can be, you know, dangerous if you drop it. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.